This BMW E90 is undrivable. So the other day I tried to take this car out on a test drive and this is what we were met with. So I plugged in my diagnostic tool and I read out all the ABS sensors and I concluded this wheel is the problem. We can clearly see that the sensor has been touching the ABS ring inside. So there is probably some rust on the ABS ring, so we will probably also have to replace that. So the first thing you want to do is loosen that nut, which is a 12 point, like you see here, 30 millimeter. And the next thing you want to do is loosen these 6 bolts which connect your drive shaft to the rear differential. Now that we have disconnected the drive shaft from the differential, we need to knock out this side as well. Okay, so now that we have the rear axle out, we can remove the ABS ring. So as you saw, I was cleaning the drive shaft, the rear axle, and unfortunately I cannot use this axle any longer since there are literally just pieces that are rusted out of here, and I tried, the ring will not fit properly on there. If I would clean all of this off, the circumference would be too small for the ring to sit properly. So I'm gonna order a new rear axle and I'm gonna continue the job once it arrives.
One eternity later.
So after waiting for ages for the new part, it finally arrived, and here we have the new one and the old one, as you can see. And if you go right there, yeah, that's a big difference. One is full of rust, the other one brand new. So we're gonna install that now, and then hopefully all our issues are fixed. And once we tightened all the 6 bolts on the differential, we just gotta reinstall our end nut here, like that, and then the drive shaft is in. And then the last thing we need to do is change our broken and eaten sensor, which just routes behind that dust cover there. You are not gonna believe this. So I installed the new axle and the new sensor in that side, and now it registers actually on the diagnostic tool. So that side is fixed, but it turns out that the other side is also bad. So what I did is I took the other axle out, as you can see here, and yep, it's also hitting on that one. Now I already waited a week for this one, so I'm just gonna get this video out to you guys. You know how to do it now. And I'm gonna order a new one in the meantime, and I'm gonna wait another week and install the other one off camera. So I want to thank you to watching this video. Like and subscribe if you liked it, and yeah, I'm almost at 100 subs, so it would really mean a lot to me if you would hit that like button and that subscribe button, and I see you in the next time. Thank you.